In this video, I'll show you how to get your private key from your Phantom wallet. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So to show private key on Phantom wallet, the first thing you need to do is open up your Phantom wallet app and log into your account. Private key is super important. It gives you access to your wallet. It gives you the ability to manage the assets in your wallet. And whoever possesses the private key has complete control of the wallet and its contents. But after you log into your Phantom wallet account, so it should never be shared with anyone. First thing you're going to do is go to the top where it says account right here and tap on the arrow. And this will bring up all of the accounts in your Phantom wallet. As you can see, I have 3 accounts. You might just have one. But whatever account you want your private key for, you're just going to go to the right of it and click here. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, it says show private key. You're going to tap on the arrow here. You can read through this if you want. After you do, tap on the square here, tap on continue. Now you can select whatever asset that you want to retrieve your private key for. So for this example, we'll just tap on Solana, enter your password, and here is your private key. If you need to copy it for anything, it's right there, keep it safe. And that's how to get your private key from your Phantom wallet. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel.